us. And I think it's time we talk it out and forget all the fuss. And if it's not me, I'll have to understand, and I'll be out your way. No drama involved, but if you feel it's me, if you feel I'm the one, you're gonna need to make a way for me to see. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time will come to
Good evening, what is happening? My name is Jacques Lemay, and I'm over here with the beautiful Boyti who designed the fabrics that we are seeing today, headlining with SB models here at Azania Cafe. Boyti, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Oh, where? Is this your first time doing this?
Not my first time.
How many times? 3.
Yes.
Oh, no, I hear you. I think sure. I think I got a soul. Oh, yeah? Oh, okay. Alright, I'm glad we're going to send it fabrics to how. So what if Montali going to design how today or no? What's like get change up pillow back up Haksabata Paraji, the way but you want about Pirnogena, my new lifestyle. How do I get in touch?
Okay, for now, Gafanaga number.
Okay. What time more?
+266 58 44 2880.
Yes, ma'am.
Facebook it's Boyti Creations.
Okay. Insta? No Insta. Okay, no, it's coming soon probably. Yeah. This is one of the local designs that we have just seen today, bombing our heads with the SB models as we're coming through on the fashion walk. And we saw them in tradition and in denim. Did you design both?
Yes, I designed both.
Okay, so let's say somebody cannot find you. Are you available in South Africa or in Lesotho?
Or I got a manager.
Okay.
If ever is at all on phone, please talk to my daddy here.
Oh. Alright, no, thank you, man. Those are some beautiful designs. When are you coming to visit us again?
I think because I'm at this side, if I don't understand the fashion design is I don't work at fashion. We are talking about something new. Who create that press everything? So it is something new, but we want to listen to fair. So guys, welcome.
Alright. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was Boyti Designs giving us in both tradition and in denim. If you want to get in touch with her, she already mentioned that Badatuni is a manager, and at the same time, she also gave out her cell phone number. So you now know what to do. You can't just go around walking the way you do, man. You go add something else. See you on the next round. That's what's up. Next performance will be by Ras Israeli on the stage. I hope he's ready. Peace.
Slowly but surely, if we know we are puffing the solid. You know, I want to burn a money. We could hide in this slowly but surely. Giving whatever we can, setting the body for bed. Believe it's power. Bobby, hide it, gotta get control. Bobby, lock it, ready for that beat. I got my face on the papers. I'm gonna cut me my name. I should know where to intersect before I'm having heart attack. It's just a matter of the stage that everything is sound work. It's either you hate me or you laugh. Yeah, but you put your money in the color it up. I'm a cool look, yeah, good son of a gun. I'm putting she in the thought of color it up. What she can find, I'm not to boom on the thought. They're going to put your money in the color it up. I'm a cool look, yeah, good son of a gun. Tila Waba, yeah. Tila Waba. Go. Go, Nana. Sekado mapagi, imani yako, sebunya dunia.
situation in front of us. And I think it's time we talk it out and forget all the fuss.
A fashion walk by the SB models who are standing right next to me. And right now I'm standing next to the artist behind the Fabrics label herself. How are you doing?
Hi everyone, thank you very much. I'm glad to be here today.
Alright, so where are you based now?
Kifumaneha extension 7,
So now you know where to go if you're looking for some of these beautiful fabrics that she presents and that she designs herself. Oh, she designs them and she fabrics them things herself. Beautiful stuff. Thank you for coming today. Are we going to see you next time?
Yes, definitely.
Alright. She says she's going to be here on the next Fashion Street Walk. I will see you there. Thank you, Lulu.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
The north wind whispers, it's coming, it's near, it's coming, it's near, it's coming, it's near. The ground belches, speaks of a calamity to
Yes,